Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rich Concept TV. If you are living in Nigeria or in any African countries where cryptocurrency is being banned, don't worry. I made a video on how to get started with cryptocurrency. This is the video. When you go to the first link in the description of this video, I want you to watch that video very well. I want you to watch that video. After watching that video, then I want you to begin to take all the necessary steps. Steps, okay? And I use a great platform called Remitano. Remitano is a very nice cryptocurrency platform where you can buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin. There are so many things you can do with Remitano. This video on how to get started with crypto. If you are living in any country where crypto is being banned, I made that video. This is the video. When you go to the first link in the description of this video, I want you to go through that video. It will really help you. You see, in that video, I created a Remitano account. Then after doing that, then I verify my phone number, I verify my bank details and my personal identity. I did justice to that. So when you go to the first link in the description of this video, get started with Remitano cryptocurrency. The truth of the matter is cryptocurrency has come to stay. Yeah, let me repeat it again. The truth of the matter is cryptocurrency has come to stay. It doesn't matter what the government are doing about it. They are frustrating poor Nigerians and poor Africans. They don't want us to grow financially. It doesn't matter. But the truth of the matter is cryptocurrency has come to stay. So for those of you who are interested in getting started with cryptocurrency using the platform Remitano, you don't have to worry about your account being banned by the Central Bank of Nigeria or anything. In that video, I did justice to that. So all you need to do now, when you go to the first link in the description of this video, I want you to learn about Remitano cryptocurrency. I did justice to that. If you are new in this channel, my name is Remitano James. I am an affiliate marketer. I make money online, and whatever I do, I come to this channel and I teach. Okay, so now I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel Rich Concept TV. In this place I give real value. Okay? So don't forget, go to the first link in the description of this video and get instant access on how to get started with cryptocurrency. This video, just click on the link. You know about Remitano platform. Don't forget, it's Remitano James. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.